Hi friends, today we are going to do a new belly breathing activity, and then Miss B has a special guest from her classroom who is going to join us for story time. I wonder who it could be. Think of something in our classroom that could join us for story time. Wonder what it could be. And then we're going to do our wish wells. So first, we're going to do a new belly breath. So you're going to sit up like this, and you're going to have your hands on your belly just like this so your fingertips are touching. You're not going to put them like this. Don't fold them. Just like this. So what's going to happen is when we breathe in, our bellies are going to push our fingertips apart so they're not touching anymore. And then when we push that air out and we breathe out, our fingertips are going to touch again. Let's try it. Breathe in. Let's do it again. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in. You guys may get to see another guest soon. Miss B's dog is out and about on her leash. Alright, our special guest besides my dog is Pete the cat. Pete the cat came to visit you. He's wearing his brand new favorite shirt. And it has how many buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons on it. I think you may know this story, so you can help me out. This is Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, round, colorful, groovy buttons. Pete loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, pop! Oh no! 1 button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons does Pete have now? He had 4, 1 popped off, 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete kept on singing. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons does Pete have now? He had 3, 1 popped off, 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Another button popped off and rolled away. Now how many buttons does Pete have? 2, 1 popped off, 1 button left. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons does Pete have now? 0! No more buttons. But Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. And what do you think he saw? His belly button! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept on singing. My button, my button. I still have my belly button. My button, my button. Still have my belly button. The moral of Pete's story is stuff will come and stuff will go. Do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing because it's all good. Thanks, Pete, for joining us. And if you also notice, along with Pete's belly button, he has a heart. Pete is also ready to wish all of you well. So think in your brains. Think of anybody and everybody you want to wish well. Think, 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 think. Bring all of those wonderful people to your hearts. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today. We wish you well. Bye, friends, and I hope you have a wonderful day today.